Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add link in your WordPress text widget. So for that you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the browser, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that it will simply take you to this page, and from here what you need to do is simply go to the edit site option from here, and once you click on the edit site it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing, and from here what you need to do is simply choose a widget. So let's say I'd like to take a widget from here. Then here you have to just simply click on the add a block, and you can just simply add a block here, and also you can just simply click on the icon that you would like to link. So let's say I'd like to link this one, then you have to simply select the text like this, then you have to just simply click on the link icon here, and you have to just simply link that icon. And here you can see you have just simply linked up a WordPress site of mine, and here you can see the link is already done. So that's how you can easily do a widgets in your WordPress site by linking this like this. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.